Today we're in Hampton Cove, Christy, and we are at the home of one of your clients, and we're in a bedroom, but we're talking about bathrooms, right?
That's right, we are. We're at the home of Carol Beverly, and we're here with Carol and designer Karen Tillery, and you met Karen I think on the last episode when we were doing the home show. She was one of the featured designers working on the house for us. And so welcome you guys, and just wanted to take a little time and tell us why you decided to do this project.
Well, we had just totally redone our whole upstairs and used Haley's on the 2 bathrooms, and 2 days after our final finish of everything, we had a pipe burst and the water just came pouring here in our bedroom. And we had thought about redoing our bathroom next year, but while we're already displaced, we thought we'll just go ahead and redo it.
Kind of by force we got to do this, but I think they're really gonna enjoy it. And the colors that we picked out are very much traditional colors, very classic colors.
Well, it looks like we're seeing a lot of tile in there. Marco is putting some decorative stuff in the corner, but show what we've got going on in the bathroom.
Well, this is actually what Marco is working on right now. This is this beautiful crackle glass tile that we added in this bathroom just to pull some more color in.
It's almost like there's a little like broken glass.
It is. It's actually a crackled glass tile is what it is.
Okay, yeah, it's just like it's embedded inside the tile.
It is, and so not only does it pull the beautiful colors in, but the way the light hits the crackled part of the glass and it reflects is really, really pretty. This will be the base, so this is what goes down in the shower floor, which is gonna give it a little bit more weight because the walls and the floor of the bathroom are real light and just have hints of the gray, and then this will weight everything down a little bit.
Yeah, so
pull your eye down.
Tell us about the floor, because I think this is such a beautiful tile.
It is beautiful, and it looks a lot like natural marble, but it's not. It's actually a porcelain tile. It comes in a gloss finish or a sanded finish, and we chose the matte, the sanded finish for a bathroom floor application.
I love this finish.
When he lays this, it'll make the decorative tile be the same width as the porcelain tile because they're different widths. So it's gonna give it a membrane, a little depth. So you lay the thin set, lay the membrane, and then we're gonna lay thin set again, and then we can lay the tile.
So you're just basically building out the tile. He's not gonna let me put it up.
Okay, you wanna put it up?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I really do.
Mark likes to get into the jobs. He loves doing
do.
this kind of stuff.
As long as I'm putting it.
Just as long as you're here to supervise.
Yeah. How am I looking?
It's looking good.
Looking plumb, looking centered.
You're hired.
Do I need tape? Do I need to tape this one?
Yes.
All right.
Giving a little extra support there.
All right.
We're actually laying decorative tile.
Yeah, I kind of eyeball all of them, make sure that one of them isn't kind of crooked. But
So once you lay it, how long do you have that you can kind of manipulate it before it's set?
Probably an hour,
Oh, okay.
maybe more.
You're not gonna let me try? You gotta let me do
I don't want you to
one.
feel left out. All right, Christy.
My husband would be so proud.
All right, here we go.
No tape on the mouth. I did it. It looks good. All right, I'll let you finish now. I just had to say I took part.
All right.
You are a perfectionist. I learned that doing the barnwood wall.
I don't want to mess up somebody's house.
No, I know. So this is the easy part.
This is the. Oh yeah. He's not
Getting the thin set down just right.
He's
is
not
the
giving.
hard part.
He's not giving us anything hard now.
Yeah.
He knows we're only.
The scary thing is he trusts us. Are we hired?
No. I don't think we're hired.
Go back to our day jobs.
Yeah. He's double checking my work.
We got Marco's check off on that.
He probably wants us out of here. Okay, Christy, we finished putting some tile up, and Marco said we didn't mess it up, so that's a good
I think
thing.
we did a pretty good job. I don't know if we're hired, but
Probably not.
he's gonna finish up the job. But
You've got grout coming in next. It's gonna the grout is gonna match the shower and the floor, so it's gonna tie everything together. New cabinets. Tell us what else is coming in here.
once the new cabinets come in, we'll come in and we'll template for the granite. So there'll be granite on top of the cabinets. There'll be a little granite on top of the curbs of the shower. And once that's done and the room gets repainted, we'll have a finished master bathroom.
And a really nice standalone tub. I see it over there.
Yeah,
and that's gonna look sharp when it's all finished off.
You know, you hate when things like that happen and you have leaks, but what a great opportunity to redo this master bath, and I think it's gonna be great when it's finished.
This is gonna be really nice.